Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Chris Brown here. Today I'm going to talk about a simple sheet which I teach, and it is called progressive eighth patterns. The reason I say it's one of the simplest sheets is because you haven't got a lot of left hand independence where the left hand is dropping into the middle of the hat positions. We're all aimed at around about a backbeat on 2 and 4 on the snare, where you've got 1 or 2 little subdivisions in there as well of changes. So let's go in with our first one, number 1. It's 100 beats per minute and it's progressive eighth patterns. I'm going to work it to a click so you can hear it with and without the click. So this is with 100 beats per minute, number 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4. Now I'm going to go again without the click. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and last one. Number 2, 96 BPM. There's hardly any difference really between 100 and 96. It's only 4 BPM, but we'll work the click so you can just hear the difference again with it. So number 2, double bass to the start. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now I'm going to work it without the click. 1 and 2 and 3. I'll do it times 2. So that's times 2, not 4 without the click, so but you've got a good idea there, I should think. Number 3 uses a double bass drum and a double snare drum at the start. This is even slower, so this is now 90 BPM, this one is. So again, let's alter it to somewhere around about 90-ish. There we go, 92, that's close enough. 3, 4. So you can hear the grooves a lot slower now. Okay, let's do a couple of those without the click. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm listening to make sure everything's lining up perfectly with those hats. The last one, number 4, this is the most interesting one. It goes a little quicker. It's at 110. So let's go for 110 now. There we go. Now then, so this one has a bass drum on the 4th hat position. So instead of a double snare you had on number 3, it's now a snare bass for positions 3 and 4 on the hats. Quaver S looks like the number 7. Interesting ending, double snare at the end. So listen for the space where the bass would have been. 2, 3, 4. Again, we'll run that with about the click. And that's it, that concludes the sheet, progressive eighth patterns. As you go through the sheet it culminates in number 4, which is a little bit more tricky than the rest. And I'd say number 4 is the most interesting groove. Thank you.